Now let's set up the Ondata method for the RSI strategy. Ondata runs on every bar. The first thing it does is check that the indicator is ready. Use if not self dot underscore RSI dot is ready, then return. Once it is ready, read the current value. Use self dot underscore RSI dot current dot value and store it in a variable called RSI value. Now apply the rule. If RSI value is less than 30, check self.portfolio indexed by self._spy.invested. If you are not invested, call self.setholdings with self._spy and 1. If RSI value is greater than 70, check the same portfolio property. If you are invested, call self.liquidate with self._spy. Between 30 and 70, the method does nothing. It reads the value and moves on. That is the full Ondata method. 1 readiness check, 1 value read, 2 threshold checks, a position check on each side.